What? Haley, what are we making? What are we making? You getting the bug? Where'd he go? You getting the bug? Haley, what are we making? What are we making? Look up here. What are we making? What's up here? We making biscuits? So, we're making biscuits. James is hungry. And we're out of cereal and milk. We're out of waffles. You found the bug? Did you get it? Wow. Okay, good job. Mama's gonna vacuum it up, okay? Good job. Alright, so today's Friday. Another vlog, here we go. Last night I did all of the dishes and cleaned the kitchen so I didn't have to worry about it today. Oh my goodness. Haley, the bug is gone. Go get the vacuum. The only thing I didn't do is vacuum, which is, you know, what I'm gonna do today, but I had to get to all these dishes. They were so stacked up and gross. I have laundry. Everything else is pretty much clean. What do you think? You want with jelly or butter?
Jelly.
Okay, jelly. I'm gonna let them cool off for a little bit.
Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, so good. I got my mascara on now, so now I can turn the camera around. Okay, so I'm trying to decide really what I want to do to my hair. I mean, I know I don't want to go back to dark brown, but I also can't keep up with this blonde. But anyways, I put some stuff in it underneath to make it a little bit more browner, but I might need to do it again. It's just the bottom piece though. I don't know. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back. Let me move this. I'm doing another Friday/weekend vlog. Here goes to number 3. They're probably all gonna be the same, but you know what? I don't care. All I know is that I'm gonna look back at these videos one day and just be very, very thankful that I made them, because even with all my other videos I've been making, I'm grateful that I finally started this YouTube journey so that way I can have videos of my kids and stuff that isn't just from Snapchat or, you know, what have you. So anyways, you can tell, I just got done making some breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and now make my coffee at finally almost 10 o'clock. And then I got some stuff to do on the computer, so I will see y'all later a little bit, I guess. I really don't know what all I'm gonna film, but here we go to another vegan vlog. While James is doing homework and Sissy's napping, I'm gonna make energy bites. I use all of the ingredients from my recipe that I found online for this that I've been making for years now, except minus the coconut. I'm not a fan, so I'm not putting coconut flakes. But I do ground flaxseed, honey, vanilla extract, peanut butter, chocolate chips, although I'll probably just use this bag, so I can put that one back away. And then oats. So let's make some energy bites. Today's Saturday the 16th. Last Friday I filmed a little bit on a vlog and decided I just wasn't gonna pick up the camera anymore that weekend. So I'm just gonna combine the 2 weekend vlogs together. I am in my sewing room painting my wall. There is my wall. I got the idea from TikTok. I loved this wall idea. I've been trying to debate what I was gonna do in here for so long that I just decided that this is perfect. Like, I gotta do this because I don't want just like an accent boring wall or anything like that. I wanted it spunky. So yeah, we're just gonna continue the vlog. We're going to paint this room. I picked out 3 colors and we're gonna go ahead and pour them. I got green, purple, the simplicity in here without the rug and stuff. But we like to sit on the floor a lot and lay on the floor, and the wood floor is so hard to keep up with. Like even just this little spot over here where there's not a rug. I hate it. That's why I try to have a rug in every room of the house. But anyways, we are just hanging out today at the house, and my husband is almost done weed eating, and he is gonna call in some lunch and pick up lunch for us. And I know we're gonna go fishing today to get out of the house because we're going a little stir crazy in the house and not really being able to go anywhere. Are you all covered up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you gonna take a night-night?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely gonna try to get, this is off subject now, I'll go back, I promise. I'm definitely gonna try to find some beans for that bean bag to refill it up. It was my newborn bean bag for photography, but the kids got a hold of it and then it was too far gone after that. Plus, I like to keep my newborn stuff updated and stuff, so I needed a new one. Plus, right now I'm not doing photography with the pandemic, so I don't have to worry about that. But when I do newborn sessions again and stuff, my sessions are going to be a lot different and more lifestyle and personal. I'll still do like the posing, but it's gonna be like minimal posing with non beanbag stuff. I'm the type of photographer that wants simplicity. But anyways, that could just be in its own video, whatever. I'm not gonna even stress about it. Nope. You don't want to use your bowl? It's okay, you do it. You got that fancy fish on there. Okay. You got it, sissy. Well, but I wanted to go ahead and end out the vlog here because my battery is blinking at me And if I don't do it now, I might not be able to, and then I'll just have to do it later. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.